Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily delete your Weverse account. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. But if you do not know what a Weverse is, it's a fun social media application where you can connect with fans from all around the world along with your favorite K-pop band, your K-pop idols, or your K-pop groups in real time. But you can always choose to stop using your account on Weverse, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, open Weverse on your phone and log into your account. After that, go to your profile. You can go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Click on that. And after you go to your profile, there at the very top right corner, you will see the little setting icon. Click on the setting icon and scroll through it. Right below the logout option, you will see the option to leave service. Click there. And then you will be directed to a lot of other options. Scroll through all of them until you reach connected apps and services. There you will see all the applications in which your Weverse account is connected. Here you will only see Weverse because my account is only connected with this application. You will then need to disconnect from all those applications. Click on disconnect, and that option is located right next to the icon of the application that this account is connected with. Click on disconnect. And there you will see all the privacy policies and all the information about what will happen after deleting your account. You can see that on the very first point, after 90 days you can sign up or connect with your same account. However, the information of that account will not be recovered. After that, click on I have read and accept the above. After that, you can click on disconnect Weverse. You will need to confirm that you want to delete your account permanently. Click on OK. And that's it. You have now successfully disconnected from Weverse. Go to homepage, and then you will see that after disconnecting from all this application, you will have the option to delete Weverse. This is not highlighted, so make sure that you scroll through it and look through it properly because it won't be visible like other highlighted topics. Scroll through it, it's almost at the bottom. Click on delete Weverse account. And then there you will also see more information about what will happen after deleting your Weverse account. Read all of those if you want to, and after that click on I have read and accept the above, and then you will find the option to delete Weverse account. Click on that, and then you need to confirm that you still want to delete your account. Click on OK. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Weverse account. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more updates.